Okay, now let's do a hands-on demo of Jupyter Containers within IOMETE ecosystem. This is a small agenda, and if you will have any questions later, you can always post them in the community. In this demo, we will set up a new Jupyter container. We will check out our authentication options. We will connect to IOMETE Compute using Python, see available Git options for us, and schedule a notebook. Jupyter Container is familiar to most of you Jupyter Lab, which comes with the most necessary plugins and CLI tools installed in it. And it's usually dedicated to each teammate. Now let's jump into IOMETE UI. Now we're in the UI. Let's hit the new button at the top left and fill the form. I'll give it a name, example Python notebook. I have only one namespace, which is a default in my installation. It can be a bit different for you. I'll skip these two, but this is useful if you need to pass database password or maybe access token, some sensitive data, so you can select a secret. For node size, I'll choose the small one, then we can always increase it if needed. Same for the volume, and let's create. It will take a minute to activate. You can check the events. Meanwhile, I can see it's like pulling the image. So it should be active now, successfully pulled the image. So we should be able to see the logs. Now you can notice Open Jupyter Lab button. Let's hit that and it will open the Jupyter Lab. It will ask for the token. You can, by the way, set up a new password if you need. Otherwise, the default token is your username. In my case, it's a float. Let me type in and log in. As you can see, it's empty. Let me set up open up a new notebook. Just copy, paste. So we will be using IOMETE Compute. So let me go back to IOMETE UI, open up the compute clusters. I'll select one active connections tab and Spark Connect. I can just copy this, go back and replace it here. So now I need to change the access token. And for this, I need to go back to IOMETE UI, open up the menu, access tokens, and I can copy existing one. You can always add a new one. Paste. So that should be good. Let me execute. And now I should be able to see some databases within IOMETE. All good. Let me also add some tables. That's good. That's it. We just connected to IOMETE Compute cluster and we are able to see all the catalogs, all the databases and tables available in IOMETE. You can also add a Git repository if needed. Let me just clone one. Copy. Now we have Git folder. We can add some changes or also go back, add the commit messages, publish them. This is fully functional Git integration. So that's it. As soon as you finished with your notebook, you can also use scheduling. This is like this calendar button. You can click on that, create a job. Again, this will only work within the notebook itself. As soon as you will stop the notebook from the UI, it should stop scheduling as well. So if you'll just stop and delete, the scheduling will stop. This is useful for like demo and development purposes. I don't recommend using this in production.